Hello, ho, ho. I hope you can hear me. I'm not too quiet or too volume is high enough. Yeah, welcome to another stream. I will just set, like always, I set a few things up. Will be a rather short stream. Set a few things up. Will be a and hello, Ballas. How are you? Yeah, the Eldritch Shower Dog. And hello, Ballas. How are you? I can hear myself. This will be an endless loop if I don't mute myself. Okay, so. So. 1 second, 2 seconds. Test, yeah, of course I don't have the right chat. But I will fix this immediately. And yeah, the Eldritch Horror Dog, I kind of was AI generated, like all of my thumbnails have AI generated content. And yeah, like 1 second. Just want, I love horror stuff. I'm a big Lovecraft fan, so kind of altering everything to that. Okay, where is the chat? I can start immediately after I set up the there's the chat. Okay. Oh, perfect. So, yeah. Okay, so again, welcome to the stream. Yeah, today, like always, pygame, Matplotlib, anything you wanna do, just write it down in the chat. Here we go. Yeah, I kind of, for debugging issues, I set the FPS down to, I guess, 4 FPS. Something like this. Oh, this can't be. Now he will slide through it. Yeah. Okay, it's not good, but at least everything I know where I need to start. X obstacle. So group. Maybe he's moving now at direction 1, 3. I'm just stupid. Let's see. Maybe I got something wrong regarding X and the Y axis. Hello, Alex. How are you doing? And yeah, I forgot I should turn on some music. By the way, how is he? Yeah, he's sliding through it, but that's okay. Okay, streaming music. Streaming safe music. Where's the radio? Here's this one. This is an ad, this is not the music. This is the music. Okay. Hopefully it's not too loud. If it is too loud, please tell me. Oh yeah, you shouldn't. Doggy Styles is a really childish joke about something. Yeah. the whole channel name was built up upon a really childish joke. But I kind of giggled, and so I thought maybe Azza will find it funny too. That is the whole purpose behind the channel. And yeah. Okay, so what I wanna change is now. Now I want to change, okay, as the coordinates back. Maybe zero, let's find out. Okay, this shouldn't give me any output. Okay, one. Let's do it with 2. And now let's see if he collides with the wall or if he moves out. Yeah, it's very slow because I wanna see every step. And it's getting closer. No! Oh no, he's moving, he's passing through. Oh no. Oh yeah, this happens because I'm too close, and yeah. I have, of course, made the enemies to follow me after a certain distance. Okay, yeah, he's sliding through it. So, that must mean that we are not colliding by any means. But, because I can't get through the walls, something should be right. So let's see how I did the movement by myself. Where's compute movement? Compute move input. Okay. No collision list. And where? Ah, okay. Okay, let's try it like this. This is another function I created before. Maybe this one will do it. Let's see. So base attack. CB no call. So where is compute enemy movement? Level. Okay, if pressed keys shouldn't be right, by the way. We will kind of switch that with direction or something. We don't need this. And we don't have animations. This can be deleted. This can also be deleted. And what am I doing here? Please delete this. Okay. Nothing new in the chat. I can continue. Pressed keys. So we are not pressing keys. We have a random movement. If random point, no, not that. Let's say move direction equals random point rand int 0 3. If move dir equals 3, let's see, move direction. 1 is up, 2 is down, okay. Okay, so import, by the way, import core devs scb. Collision. Okay, import. It was this import. Static devs pygame ultimate point static devs scb. So now this should work. Call based. Okay, that I said point call based. CB now. Perfect. Yeah, if move direction equals 1. NPC. Nothing new in the chat. But thanks for the upvote. Yeah. Equals 1. It should be enemy point move dear. Move dear. Oh no, if CB no colleague. No collision list is self point static objects. And yeah. Yeah, this is, at least I've called everything sleepy coding, because otherwise it wouldn't be accurate. Okay, pygame pressed keys. If pressed keys. Okay, I simply have to copy that, but change the values. 1 more time, 2 more time. So move direction 1 is up, so yeah, this is -1. X equals 1 if it's 2. This should be just enemy. Or enemy point get rectangle. I guess it is enemy point get. Oops, I accidentally. Do I have enemy get rectangle? Yeah, I go okay. It's did it correctly. Enemy point get rectangle. y minus 1 and y equals minus 1, y equals 1 and y equals plus 1, I guess. Or no, we are moving up minus 1 and minus 1 in this case. And yeah, if move direction equals 2, it should be plus 1 and plus 1. And not enemy move direction, but enemy get rectangle. Here again, enemy get rectangle. Okay. NPC, enemy point move direction. Okay, it has no input. I'm stupid. Input is 1 and 2. 3 and 4. And yes. X is because... Oh, what was? Guess it was white. Was it NPC? It was left. 3 is left, so 3. So my x equals minus 1 because we are moving left, and x equals 1. Here it has to be 4. Now let me check if I set up everything correctly. Move deer, move deer, move deer. Move direction in this section. Sorry, I needed to now will I get an exception? Of course I will get. Move direction, maybe because I forgot the underscore. Yeah, move direction with an underscore. Okay, of course I can do this later. Let's do it with 3, and yeah, let's, or we are falling asleep. Let's set it back to 30. Please, please hold on. No, 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 no. Come on, buddy. You had one job. You had one job. Again, I can switch this, maybe. I maybe I have an idea. NPC get rectangle. No, the self point X, okay. So it is calculated correctly. Hello, Mr. Gamers. At the moment, I'm generating a random number from 3 to 3. But usually I should generate one from 1 to 4. But at the moment, yeah, I'm looking for 3 to 3 and checking the collision if there is any collision or not. And then I can, yeah, can't call it improvise. I wanna look if I collide with the walls, and hopefully I will not. And I can peacefully, but yeah, at the moment, unfortunately, I always collide with the walls. And even if I check rectangle, it should collide. For example, I can here print okay, I set it back like it should be. Print enemy point get rectangle, and I should get static self point. Okay, now this won't work. But what works is the same with the player, and I'm kind of confused what is the... Where's the difference? Because here I have nearly done the same. Self point get rectangle. And here is done the same. Anything new in the chat? Oh yeah, subs keeps kind of... Oh yeah, you're right, sorry, I need to close it. And yeah, hello Matt, how are you doing? Yeah, subs keep growing pretty fastly lately, which is really cool, by the way. I love that. And yeah, the viewer count also is pretty high in the last, well, was pretty high in the last streams. Yeah, so this one worked, by the way. If you're looking at this one worked. But here again, pressed keys with the game. No, game is not needed. Interface is not needed. But where's level? Level is here. So in the level I have, while the level is running, I have the function compute input. Where is it? Compute player input, anything like this. Compute movement input. And this totally does what it should do. It computes the movement input, and when I try to leave the level, I can't. So I'm hitting against the wall. Same goes for down. Yeah, now the blob is following me. But this little red friend here was following me. If I'm, and he shouldn't pass the walls as well, but he does. I'm kind of finding out, and this kind of shows me. Did I close it? Yeah. This kind of shows me that there's a difference between the function that calculates the enemy movement and the function that calculates my movement, and I'm trying to find the mistake. And I already printed, for example, each rectangle, the rectangle of the enemy and the rectangle of the wall. And yeah, it gave me no collision. So yeah, this is, for example, the enemy. One, if pressed. Oh, I have an idea. Yeah, he is. Rec list. And let me see level. Yeah, first the rectangle of the player. Here I did it the same. Self point get rectangle, and here also enemy get rectangle. No collision. First of the rectangle. Yeah, everything was set up correctly. Or at least I can't find the mistake, the actual mistake. Maybe I'm blind. But anyways, for the player it works. If there be no collision, self get rectangle while I equals 2 and no collision list. So, and the no collision list is level compute movement mode, no self static objects. And yeah, in this one I need the camera because the enemies when the player moves, the camera should move as well. That's why I need the camera in this one. I'm thinking, why do I have something that why do I have it here? What causes it? What causes this? Okay, back to let's get compute movement, compute enemies. For enemy and self enemy. Maybe one. Is that, does this anything? I guess not. No. Yeah, okay, this is, by the way, let's say print, let's check this first, print true, print false. Okay, false. Oh yeah, here, this can be deleted. Okay, so yeah, here false is printed, here true is printed. Hello, by the way, to everyone who joined recently. Okay, and move direction, move direction, move direction. No. So he should get here, print, hey. Yeah, false, hey, okay. Print, ho. Yeah. So yes, there's no collision. But now there should be a collision. But there isn't. Maybe, but he's always printing the hole. Okay, this sounded wrong. I just meant HO. Please no wrong interpretation regarding that. Ho ho ho, like the Santa Claus says so. Ho 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 ho. Okay. No collision, so Okay, in rec list. For rec in rec list, okay. But rec 1 is to an int, and here self-static object, yeah, perfect. Nothing new in the chat. Okay, pygame, rectangle, collide, rectangle, rec1, rectangle, point, get rectangle. Ui, ui, ui. Maybe. Let's see walls. Maybe I have another idea where the mistake could be. Obstacle. Everything is named get rectangle. And the camera is only used in Bullet, yeah. With NPC. Yeah, no camera except Bullet, where the camera is included, yeah. Okay. Sorry for the long thinking break. What could it cause? I mean, not the thinking, that I'm thinking is good, better than I'm acting like a no brain included, but okay. Can he even check it? 1 second. If self point, if pygame point rectangle point collide rectangle self point enemies 0 point get rectangle, and now I have to look which is the first wall that get X and 0. Okay, it should be the second one, so self point static objects 1. No. So we print hi. Okay, what is the problem? Okay. Point at that maybe could cause the problem. Okay, this could be sprites. Get rectangle. Okay, so I just need to add sprites. Okay, maybe this causes it. We'll start. I will check the... No, nothing new in the chat. So I can continue. Is the opposite... I have a really great joke. What is the opposite of... Ah, by the way. Thought a mistake. What is the opposite of continue? Continue. Okay, not again. Interesting. By the way, I should print false and print 2 should be eliminated. Maybe I can feel better then. No collision, why? Okay, maybe I got the wrong. Sprite 0. Not at all. Excess minus. Okay, self-put excess. Okay, I will still try to end, but because maybe it will, by using add, it will be put on this at the start. So I will try it 3 more times. But no, not at all. Okay, so now I'm starting to feel desperate. To end my desperation, I need a coffee. Like a drug. Don't do drugs. Have to stay child friendly, so don't do drugs. Even if most of the viewers, I guess, are full aged. No underaged here. No one is probably underaged here, but anyway, so obstacle and oh, let me see. Self point. Okay, sprite, maybe. Let me see what other options are. Maybe I'm stupid. Print self point, enemies points, sprites 0.x. Okay, I'm totally getting it. Okay, maybe NPC is where's get rectangle? Pygame point, rectangle, and the same goes for player. Player get rectangle, pygame rectangle point rectangle, and NPC obstacle, pygame point rectangle. So everything was set up as it should have been set up. So I'm really not getting what the problem could be. But I will never give up. Never. You hear me? Never. Okay, I'm kind of over dramatic. For entertainment purpose. Totally for entertainment purpose, I'm getting over dramatic. Okay, so screen blit, no blit, no blit. But NPC return is correct. Where's X? And what the fact is that okay. Still. There's something wrong. Oh yeah, this does not exist. Why does this not work? I'm sorry, I need to sing to keep myself awake. Awake. Enemies point blit background. Transform 0 self excise. Compute enemies. If I'm not computing enemies, do they move? No. And there's no way I can get through the wall. But he has no problem getting through the wall. And for me it's not impossible, it's impossible. No way I can get through the wall. And nothing will be printed, like some kind of joke. Enemy minus X if collision. Okay, let's get 5. So print sprites 1 and Y. Now let's again do it. Hmm? 131. Oh yeah. Delete this. Oh. Okay. Now he should collide. Is he kidding me? If pygame point rectangle point collide rectangle. Let me see collision base. Or maybe I did the wrong one. Self point static objects 1 point sprites point static 1 get rectangle comma self point enemies point sprite 0 get rectangle. Print this word stuff. Please say something when you hit the wall. Getting closer. Nothing. Like it's cursed. The curse is real. The curse was a pygame game. Input post. So again. No collision list, okay. Okay, so let's get serious. Seawheels. Let's get something if you call it Seawheels. Main collision base. Viewing the snake. Okay, so the main problem seems to be that it doesn't get that there's a collision. Now let's get even further. If pygame rectangle coin collect. Now let's say pygame point rectangle of point X point Y. I mean it's size. Y size. And again. Okay. Now let's see. X size, of course it has X size, or did I? It has, of course it has X size. Okay. This is slow. Gonna get slow and yeah, again pathing through. But yeah. Now it is enemies. Sprites. And that is 0, 0, 0. Come on, baby, print ASDF. Please, my love. Print ASDF. Please print ASDF. No. Dramatic no. Okay. Two. What could probably help? Find out in the next episode of I'm just kidding. Zero, zero. With pygame point rectangle. Is the function maybe broken? 0, 0, 3, 3, 3, and 1, 1, 4, 4. enough. And here another record is needed. I'm sorry for moaning. Yeah, now he's printing it. So why is he printing it now? Now let's see enemy. Is the enemy... Let's say with Y size, this is excess of 20 and Y5 of 200. And now let's say sports 0 X get rectangle. I believe it lies within the enemies. Yeah, we can wait a little bit longer again. Like waiting is our passion. Purpose. Okay, did he print ASDF? No. Like it's impossible. Maybe, oh, I have an idea. New idea. This point, get rectangle, point Y. Okay. Still moving. If anyone knows the solution. Okay. Can you simply, if I print rectangles, it will help? Enemies, points, bytes, point. Can you simply print a rectangle? Oh yes, you can, you are right. Okay, I will do it. Self-point enemy sprite and one point. Get rectangle. second. Can you see it? Yes. The left side, you should be able to see it. And now they should collide. But as you can clearly see, they don't. Because this is a Y position. Oh. The size is 0 and 0. That's the cause. So where did I make the enemies? Start enemies. Oh. Hello. That's where the problem is. Okay, let's set it to 2020 by default. And now let's see. Yeah, that was a problem. As you can see here, it's not moving. Yeah, it worked. And don't worry, the lagging is just caused because I set up the collision timer. Yeah, I was too stupid to see it. I kind of set, yeah. Okay, level. Oh, finally, 20. Now I can set up everything as normal. Let me do one final test, like... Oh no, I need a coffee first. This was... But we got it. Thank you, Ballas. By the way, thank you very much for the idea of getting the rectangles. Because I finally saw this with the X size and the Y size. Yeah, it's width and height, and in my variables I called it X size and Y size. Oh, I make a coffee break now. I found it, hopefully. This is why I love the streams, by the way. Even if not many viewers are there, it is fun to... No, I don't need until 244, but until 1, yes, 5, to 4, to 6, then I will stream, I guess 20 or 30 more minutes, and then we can go to sleep, or you can code, and I will go to sleep, because unfortunately I have to work tomorrow, even if my motivation is like 0, but yeah, work is work. So yeah, I will do a little break. See you in 3 minutes. Oh, I have to hurry. Okay, I'm already back, but instead of drinking a coffee because it's already late, I eat something. I hope you won't mind. I will code while eating, but I won't say much. You can maybe move it up to 60 FPS, by the way. Oh, it's only by 30, that's why it's lagging. So why is it lagging? But yeah, of course it is lagging. But yeah, I'm really satisfied with the output. Of course, new directions will be set randomly after that. Where's random? Here. No, not like this. No. Can finally make them attack me. Okay, so next step is closing the program, obviously. I will refresh the stream 1 second. And 69 minutes, perfect time. Okay. Ah, I have an idea. Now let's see, level. If and now comes the big part. It looks like I will put that new if condition inside this one, because it will, yeah, use more CPU and stuff like that if I will put the if condition. Because what I simply want to do, if pygame point rectangle point collide rectangle, now player point get rectangle, and where's enemy point get rectangle, enemy point, where is it? How was it called? Damage player, enemy damage player. And yeah, player. So yeah, but it will need much more, not memory, but resources and it will slow the pygame down, because in any kind of loop he has to get into this if condition. So I will simply copy it. And in this if condition, it says if it is inside the side of the enemy. You can see that as a bigger invisible enemy, which is bigger, and if I collide with that enemy, the bigger enemy, the smaller enemy inside the bigger enemy will find me, try to search me, will move into my direction. And yeah, before this happens, the enemy shouldn't damage him at all. So I will put it here. After any move, but now this makes no sense. No, this makes no sense in this case, I guess. Let me think. I thought I caught a good way of saving speed, saving resources, but it seems like my idea is just dump for the dumpster. If enemy point x equals enemy point. Because of the if condition, based on the if condition. Can check it up here, yeah. Now we can say else if. Okay, yeah. This is not needed here. Now let's see if it works. Okay. Oh yeah, I have the brackets. So let me see if they damage me, and yeah, they damaged me. Perfect. Now because of the 30 FPS, this got pretty fast. Pretty fast dev, but yeah, we know it works, so I'm satisfied. Now, now, as you can see, I'm eating, sorry. Or you can't see, but you can maybe hear. I will need some time. Sometimes time is not on your side of the time. Am I doing stupid puns without any sense? Yes, I am. Don't look for any hidden secrets behind my words. Sometimes I'm just talking nonsense. Sometimes the nonsense is talking about me. Sometimes we're talking about each other. I'm guessing myself who has the upper hand. Now player needs more HP. 200. This is better, but interface. Nothing new in the chatty. Okay. I'm so happy that this function here exists. Ah, better. Yeah, perfect. And hello everyone who joined recently. Yeah, I'm doing my pygame, or I'm doing programming a little game here. Yeah, feel free to ask anything. I can also do different stuff. Oh no, it turned black. I can do different stuff like Matplotlib or Numpy or Pandas. Okay, on a basic tutorial. Anything you wanna hear from me, just feel free to ask, like frivillig. I'm sorry, I'm totally talking nonsense because I had to work overtime today, and that makes your brain a little bit dumb or empty inside. I feel the emptiness inside, but not inside me, but inside my brain. So no depressive stuff, just an empty brain. Kind of like the retarded running horse. Anyone knows that? Probably the most intellectual video on YouTube. I can show you 1 second. Yeah, if you haven't seen it yet. Really important to know. I mean, if anyone says today's videos are dumb and kill brain cells, I show him this, because this video is about 16 years old, and when I was a kid I killed my brain cells with it. Okay, now time to get attack. Player base attack. Oh, I already implemented it. Okay. Now let us say... Oh yeah, perfect. It works. Now this didn't work before simply based on the fact that yeah. Based on the fact that I got hate and wit wrong. Now it works perfect. Okay, next stuff I should implement is dying. How can I implement that? Or sorry, I'm kind of in the mood of watching at stupid videos. It's kind of, unfortunately, I won't show my face, so I can't be a wacky reactions YouTuber. This would be awesome. 1 second, I will eat something. And I will make a little poll. Sorry. Okay, made a little poll. Feel free to vote. Feel free to vote. Yeah. On that I will return eating. But I won't do much longer, I have to admit. Okay, this poll was kind of unnecessary. I'm sorry. I really am. Sleepy coding. Man, I could make a song about my coding experience. It's called Sleepy Coding. Python basic tutorial. What do you want me to cover? Data types, programs and projects. Like the first projects you're gonna do, like the calculator. Something like this, because yeah, 2 votes for Python basic tutorial sounds like I should do a Python basics tutorial. I could do a 10-minute tutorial before going to bed. So yeah, just type in what especially. If my singing is annoying or anything, you can be honest. I can't stop it. I'm not that deep fallen into madness. Just killing the time with it, or kind of in a happy mood. But yeah, a happy mood can sometimes annoy people. So can be honest with that. Numpy test maze. Something not useful. So this is, by the way, the first program you should do in Python. Hello little squirrel. Hello little squirrel. This is the kind of project the world needs. Yeah, this is kind of, because hello world is too mainstream, we wrote hello little squirrel. And this is a print function which I use for debugging, even if it is not recommended by most, but lazy people like me use print for debugging. So yeah, hopefully. Oh, hello Alex, how are you doing? A React tutorial like, what do you mean? Is that called React? React is kind of, I'm not that familiar with React. But I wanna, but by the way, JavaScript, something I also want to attend really badly, because I will need it at work soon. And also I wanna do Flask. Do you know Flask? Also what I watched a few tutorials regarding Flask. I even have, is it here? Oh yeah, kind of made myself, already closed it. Import from Flask. Import Flask. App equals not false. Flask name. Now I have to think. Ah, you already know that. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm learning at the moment. I have to look up how the decorator, we use a decorator. I don't know actually the name of the decorator anymore. But I know a site where I could get that. Okay. Yeah, there are many. If you for this tutorial you have to skip through stuff like installation, yeah. It was app point root. App point root. Yes, so let's add app point root. Now input is again name, but I guess with a, no, it was, I'm stupid, this is simply a slash. Oh no, this And now def. Oh no. Return. Oh no. And yep. If was a name. Whoop. If name equals main. I guess this was a string. Yeah, as a string. App point 1. Something like this. And yeah, I forgot the bracket there. Okay, so I would love to know quad. I will maybe, yeah, quad. Note that I can try it out. Then we can. Now yeah, Flask is really simple if you want something simple on your local host like this, because this is already something where I run a little website on my local host. I guess using the port 5000. Let me see. Test. Yeah, on port 5000. Okay. But I guess because it's pretty late and today I'm not able to make such a long stream, I would say goodbye tonight, because tomorrow is another day where I can hopefully stream. And with that in mind, I would say I wish you a wonderful evening, dinner time, night time, whatever time it is in your country. See you hopefully in the next stream, which will also hopefully be longer. And yeah, I will catch some sleep. And yeah, well, maybe tomorrow I will look at quad. Yeah, quad was it. I marked it down, and yeah. Maybe tomorrow I can show you what I've learned. I will also, like always, work on my game. See you! Where's the button for clothing? On video, Ginger. So many packages. Yeah, maybe first quad, but yeah, we'll look it up. Okay, good night.